Ctrl+S is a commonly used keyboard shortcut for saving files in many software applications. Here's how it works. Windows. In most applications, pressing Ctrl+S will save your current file or document. If the file has already been saved before, it will save the latest changes. If it is a new file, it may prompt you to choose a location and file name.
Common applications: Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Ctrl+S saves the current document. Adobe Suite, Photoshop, Illustrator. Ctrl+S saves the current project. Web browsers like Chrome, Firefox. If you're editing a web page or using an online document editor, Ctrl+S often triggers the save function of the web application. Notepad, Ctrl+S saves the current plain text file. MS Paint, Ctrl+S saves the current picture/image file. Saving in specific programs. Microsoft Word, Ctrl+S saves the document. F12 or Ctrl+Shift+S opens Save As. Notepad, Windows, Ctrl+S saves the file. Save As can be accessed from the File menu. Tips for efficient saving. Frequent saves. Save your work frequently to prevent data loss. Versions. Use Save As to create versions of your document to track changes over time. Shortcuts. Familiarize yourself with these shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Understanding these shortcuts can significantly improve your productivity and ensure that your work is saved regularly and efficiently. Let's see Ctrl+S in action across a variety of applications. Look at the keyboard with a combination of Ctrl+S. See how we press the Ctrl+S keys on the keyboard. Why is this shortcut so important? Well, it ensures that you don't lose your hard work. Whether you're writing a report, designing a graphic, or coding a project, saving frequently with Ctrl+S can prevent data loss due to crashes or power outages. Here are some advanced tips to make the most out of saving your work. Frequent saves. Make it a habit to press Ctrl+S regularly. It's quick and ensures your work is always up to date. Let's explore each application step by step. We'll start by performing tasks such as opening files, typing, painting, and more. When we press Ctrl+S for the first time, it will prompt us to specify the file name and location where we want to save it. After that, we'll continue our work in each application, frequently saving with Ctrl+S. Are you ready to efficiently navigate different applications and witness the power of Ctrl+S? Let's begin.
Let's hands-on each application one by one.
Click on the Start button, located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Scroll down. Scroll down through the list of programs until you find Microsoft Word. Find Word icon. Look for the Word icon in the list of programs. Click on Word icon. Once you've located the Word icon, click on it to open Microsoft Word. Once Word is open, create a new file.
And start typing. This is my file for demonstration. After typing the text, press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. This will save the file. To save your file, simply press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. This will open the Save As dialog box. In the File Name field of the dialog box, type the name you want to give to your file. Next, choose the location where you want to save the file. You can navigate through folders by clicking on them. Once you've selected a location and entered a file name, click on the Save button. Alternatively, you can press the Enter key on your keyboard.
We have seen an example in Word of how to save a document by pressing Ctrl+S. Now, the next application, Excel. Click on the Start button, explore Excel, and click the Excel icon to open or run Microsoft Excel. Click on a blank workbook. See, it opens a blank workbook. Enter some students' records. You can enter as per your requirements. After entering records, press Ctrl+S. See, Save As dialog box appears the first time. Browse the location where you want to store the file, type the file name, and press the Save button to complete this task. It saves the Excel workbook permanently on disk. Perform the same operation after some typing, correction, modification, etc. Press Ctrl+S and observe. It will save the workbook. So make it a habit of pressing Ctrl+S. It saves your work and time. We have seen how to save, and Ctrl+S works in Excel. Now, next application, PowerPoint. Click on the Start button and search for PowerPoint. Click the PowerPoint icon. It will open the PowerPoint. Click Blank Presentation. And start creating your desired presentation. For more details, create a presentation. See our complete video PowerPoint on this channel. After completing the presentation, or whenever you want to save a file, press Ctrl+S. Same as we have seen in Word and Excel. The first time the Save As dialog box appears, we have to browse the location, typing file name, and finally pressing the Save button. Next, open the PowerPoint presentation. Make some modifications or correction. Press Ctrl+S and Observer. It will save the workbook. So make it habit. Pressing Ctrl+S. Now, next application, Notepad. Click on Start button and search for Notepad. Click the Notepad icon. It will open Notepad. By default, it opens a blank text file. and start typing text. After typing some text. This is the same as we have seen in Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Press Ctrl+S. First time save as dialog box appears. We have to browse the location. Typing file name and finally pressing the save button. Similarly, open Notepad to open your text file. Make some modifications or correction. Press Ctrl+S and the observer. Now next application, MS Paint. Click on Start button and search for MS Paint. Click the Paint icon, it will open Paint. By default, it opens a blank image file. Start drawing, search on the internet for a few images, and paste them into the blank area. After completing or before painting. Press Ctrl+S. The first time the Save as dialog box appears. Browse the location. Typing file name and press the Save button. Make some modifications to this image, color, background, etc. Press Ctrl+S and the observer. It will save the paint file. So make it a habit. Pressing Ctrl+S. Now next application, browser Google Chrome. Search desired website, open it by clicking link URL. See its contents. If you want to store these pages on your local computer or laptop, etc. Press Ctrl+S. Save as dialog box appears. We have to browse location. Typing file name and finally pressing Save button. Open Windows Explorer, see our saved file. Open it in any browser and see its content are same as online and offline website.
See here message, go to that folder where you saved this web page, double-click, it shows multiple browsers, choose Google Chrome, and see it opens now. Now next application, VS Code, click Windows Start button and search VS Code, click VS Code icon, it will open, then click New File, choose Text File Built-in, and start typing. After some code typing here, press Ctrl S, save as dialog box appears. We have to browse location. and select what type of file type you want to store it, typing file name and, finally pressing Save button. Now last application, SQLYog. Double-click SQLYog icon at desktop. It takes time to open it because it restores the connection with databases. Type some queries, SQL query, here with current database. After some code typing here, press Ctrl S, Save As dialog box appears. We have to browse location, typing file name and finally pressing Save button. It stores the queries on that chosen location of storage device. In our exploration, we've witnessed Ctrl S in action across various applications. The first time you press Ctrl S, it triggers the Save As dialog box, allowing you to specify the file name and location. Subsequent presses of Ctrl S simply save the file. It's essential to develop a habit of using Ctrl S while working in any application to ensure your work is consistently saved. If you encounter any other applications with this behavior, please share their names and behaviors in the comments below. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, take care, and Allah Hafiz.